Hello everybody. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to add the top right Axon bodycam I guess logo thingy, the description of the bodycam. So there's this asset that I'll make available in the description. It's literally an empty Vegas Pro file kinda, and an asset, and inside the assets it's just the Axon logo. When you open the file, it might complain that it can't find the file. You just point this to this file, which is the Axon logo on the top right. Now, essentially, I'm going to use a small video from last weekend's game, and I keep the video and the assets here. This video does not have the radio track. I'm not gonna get complicated by adding the radio track. No, nothing like that. So I just open the video file, which I already have open, and as you can see, there are a couple of information. There are a couple of info here. So I'm gonna start by actually dropping the video that I want to add around here, okay? So that this shows around the whole video. Let's make a basically a small cut. So I was dead here. Let's make a video this short just for the sake of it. And the audio for some reason is not synced, but that's fine. Not on the same track, but that's fine. We can just shrink the audio too. It's not a problem. Now, the first layer, you need to add the video on the bottom layers. The layer that's on top of the video is just the logo. It's just the Axon logo. As you can see there, it's just the Axon logo. The second layer is basically the date. Now, this is the date without time, okay? What you can do here is edit generated media. The font here is Klartext Mono. You need to download this, and it's on size 9. And then you can edit. Let's say I filmed this in Christmas. Let's put this on the 25th of December. Let's say I filmed this in Christmas. That's all you need to do. And it shows there, well, not really. Let's find a little bit more. Okay, let's see if we find a darker spot around here. Come on, dude. Okay, see? It's Christmas basically, and the second to last layer is essentially the line below. This is what you can edit. And you can edit. So I chose to actually have. I could actually use a lower size of font. Oh no, let's use the right size of font. And here basically I chose the Axon Flex 2, which is a camera that you can put on an helmet because I'm using an helmet. You have Cam 1 because, well, I'm the first camera, and then you have Furão, which is essentially my nickname, and then you have this which is essentially my name, my actually personal name, because most people actually identify to me as my last name. So yes, so this is basically the I guess the legend of the whole thing. Now, time. The way that you can do time is essentially is by grabbing these. That's a badass shot. is by grabbing this last layer. But here's the deal: when we start, come on, dude, don't be like fucking Donald. When we start, the time is at 0, as you can see up here, right? And that's not what we want. We want these to show like the time. What you can do is you actually click here on properties, go to media, use the custom time code, select time here, it's already selected. Let's say this was like 5 p.m. I don't know, 5:30, 5:35 when I started the recording. Wait, 5:35 and like 20 seconds. And it will register that time. And as the time progresses, the time keeps increasing. See? Now the time uses a different kind of scale. Shut up! Shut up! While I'm speaking, shut up. And the time uses a different kind of subtitle, if you will, and it's configured differently, and it will show better on like white than compared to the rest of the text, you know. Anyway, here's the point, and essentially that's it. That's how you then render. It's important to keep these 3 or 4 layers on top. I think it's 4 layers. Yeah, it's 4 layers, and then you put your video, and you can drag the radio calls here and edit the radio calls here. But essentially, this is how you do it, and you get that Axon logo over there. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something today.